In today's engineering tips, we're going to cover the 3 things to avoid in gusset design to keep your fabricators happy. Let's get into it. Okay, here it is, the basic triangular gusset design that we've all learned in school. If your gusset design looks like this, here are 3 things to avoid to not only improve your gusset design, but also to make the fabricators happy. The first thing to avoid in gusset design is similar leg lengths. When the 2 leg lengths of a gusset are similar, but not exactly equal, this can create orientation issues during fit-up. The better approach, equal leg lengths. When that's not an option, make the leg lengths distinguishable from one another, such as one of them is 6 inches, one of them is 3 inches. You can also always use an indicated feature such as a hole or a notch to indicate orientation, which will help during fit-up. The second issue to avoid in gusset design is the sharp edges at the end of the triangular gusset. These sharp edges are notoriously difficult to weld. Therefore, the ideal solution is to blunt these sharp edges perpendicular to the legs of the gusset. By doing so, this will create an edge that's not only easy to weld, but also less susceptible to melting away during weld out. Don't forget that when using the blunt edge approach, don't forget to round these 2 sharp edges of the gusset. The third thing to avoid in gusset design is no clearance for weld or corner relief. By simply adding a chamfer at the intersecting edge between the 2 long edges of the gusset, this will provide relief for fabricated joints that include a weld or possibly for inside corner radii associated with structural shapes like I-beams or channels. In summary, lose the basic triangular gusset design that we all learned in school. Make sure that the leg lengths are equal to one another or at least distinguishable from one another. Blunt the ends of the gusset and provide for weld clearance or for corner relief clearance. Thanks for watching. If there are any questions or anything you would like to see, feel free to contact us or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to get more engineering tips.